All right, this is just a quick sound test for this Telecaster style guitar that I have up for sale on eBay. Just completed making it. Really hasn't seen much in the way of playing time, enough to set it up, and then I messed around with it just long enough to discover I really don't like these kind of pickups. But it looks so pretty, I hate to just rip the pick guard off and replace it with a new one, so I'll probably start over with something else. And head the direction I want to go. So I'm just going to play through these first with a Fender Twin emulation on my HX Stomp, and then I'll do more of like a Texas style distortion. I don't think this is really a heavy distortion kind of guitar. So I'll turn off the microphone so you have to listen to the strings rattling, and I'll open her up. Okay, for some reason the sound didn't take the last time, so we're going to do one more recording here. This is going to just be the lightly distorted sounds. I'll keep it in strat position, just run through the positions a little bit so you can hear the different sounds. Okay, so that's the guitar. Basic sounds there. Reminder that these are both bridge pickups. This is the hotter one, kind of like the Brian Setzer signature, and this is the brighter, more traditional one. Alnico 5 here, Alnico 2 here. Probably a slightly hotter wind as well. Let you do lots of things if you wanted to flip them back and forth. They are on the Easy Connect system, so there's a simple, all you'll do is physically reverse them and remove the plugs, no soldering. Just switch the plugs up and you'll be ready to go if you wish to do that. So, good little rockabilly guitar, good for country and country rock, or if you just want something a little bit unusual and different, you won't see many like this. All right, hope you enjoy it.